So I'm pretty excited. I get to put together this new funnel. Actually, I've been working on it for a while. Um, we got a new license for our core contact form program that we use in documentation forms. We bought the right to use some of this core code a little while ago, and we had one license, and we were able to negotiate a different license. So we can start charging for different things. We're gonna um, add these different extra elements that are going to make it a little more valuable than just $5 a month. We're still going to offer the contact form though for free, and then we have our form reader that allows you to upload a PDF and fill it out with just a few clicks. Um, that's $5, and it's going to come with a cPanel with WordPress on it, so you can also make PHP, MyAdmin, SQL databases or MySQL databases, either or, and you can webhook to those, and you'll also be able to we're adding on this little add-on that's going to be part of the $15 package. The $5 package is going to be separate from the $15 package because you might want to keep it because it has your WordPress. If you do just want to downgrade everything, we're going to have um, free $15 and $25, but you can also sign up for the $5 package in addition to that. Um, but you will be able to connect right over to your MySQL database. You can save data there from your contact form, and you can turn off the form from saving into our main database. We aren't going to be deleting any of the data in there. We're not going to tend to it because for our business purpose, it does have a legal business purpose. It's that you are using it to save the data, and that's GDPR. From my perspective, that's GDPR. We're just only making sure our servers are secure. We're not quite the same as other data storage businesses. I mean, contact form businesses pretty much save your data as long as you don't delete it. Law industry programs, if we had a different type of service contract, we would categorize what type of data we have and then get rid of it. But it's sort of interesting. HIPAA requires United States businesses to save data for longer, and GDPR requires people to delete data. So our business purpose, according to GDPR, is just upholding our end of the bargain of, you know, making sure the server is secure. So we're going to be beefing up security on the server, and we're going to actually put our program on one server and the databases on another server. And we are adding a CSV element, comma separated version, which just it's like an Excel spreadsheet, but when you look at it, you're only going to see the names of the columns, and that's it. And there's going to be um, the ability to save to your um, SQL database, and then we're going to make this little script that also then passes the data right over to your CSV. So you'll save in both types of databases, um, and vice versa. So if you save something, it'll change it in your SQL database. Changing it in the SQL database is going to take a little longer. So I know the stuff sounds kind of boring, but we're going to make it. We're going to make some checklists so that you know exactly what you have going on. We're adding an automatic email program, so you can upload a list of names and emails that you either buy somewhere or automatically put from a contact form into your system. So it'll send out a series of emails. Let's see what else. We're adding a CRM system, customer resource management. We're adding a client contact portal. We have an SEO tool. Let's see. Uh, those are the main things right now. We're going to add a word processor to the whole thing, and then we're adding an automatic PDF. Oh, we're adding an element to the PDF functionality, not the form reader part, but it's a separate part. There's gonna be two PDF parts, and we're gonna have a PDF editor we're adding down the line. So we're just gonna keep adding stuff to the four levels: free, $5, $15, and $25. So That's all because we got this new license and the new ability to update the program, and we're connecting to Zapier. So Zapier will let you allow you to connect to 1,500 plus other programs. So everything in about 6-8 months is going to be all automated through our program just with our contact form. And that's why I am into contact forms, because between you and your clients out in the world, a contact form is really your first line of communication a lot of the time, and there's no point in having to manually transfer all the data everywhere. So we want to give you about 10 to 15 basic go-to different routes of putting that data into a more usable secondary program that you use either on our server or some other program that you're already using, like a document management system, um, like Clio in law, or Zip Forms Plus for real estate, some different programs like that. So, uh, yeah, you should use our free contact form though. You should sign up and be one of our contact form users. It uses conditional logic. It allows you to ask different next questions based on people's last questions. You have to set those rules in the contact form. It's pretty fun. Just dinking around with it at first, you can make different humorous little contact forms. But really, I mean, the main thing is like, maybe make a couple check boxes, ask a couple of questions, and then ask questions you only need to ask if someone's situation fits one of those check boxes. It allows you to save a little space on your website, and it then opens up. So it usually, like if you have a contact form in the side column, it'll save space like this, but when they click a checkbox, it opens up like this. But it just kind of lets you keep everything concise, because people aren't always filling out your contact form. So that is that for right now. I have about 100 million different little tasks this next few months, but the contact form is going to stay up and ready and operational. So please do check out docuplationforms.com. Thanks.